So look at the size of this log. We need to set up the top. We're going to be putting a flat piece on the top of the log because when you make the first cut, you need your first really flat surface, and then you can continue on the log without the piece on top. So we're going to set that up. We're going to cut the top, and we're going to make as many cuts as we can before we collapse. I'm exhausted. I know that looks tough, but look at the results. Look at this. Wow. are we? I can't use that for something. Look at that thing. My God. Where are you going to see something like that? Where?